Guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by, and if you're new, welcome. 7cm piece of paper, and we want to fold that in half like so, and bring in and fold them down. Now what you want to do next, is you want to bring the right side and then open up again and open up again. Next, what you want to do, then pick the piece of paper up and fold it back on itself. I'll repeat that. So you get the piece of paper. Once you've done that, open it up again and pull this flap out so it looks like so. Pick up your next. Once it's in, lay it down and push it down.